Hello, guys. My name is Sebastian Aguilera, and this is my session 4. Okay, so first, let's walk through the code. Okay, here's the code. Let's walk through the code I ran. I wrote to perform technical analysis on NVDA. The ticker is NVDA. This is a time series analysis, and I'll be using moving averages, RSI, and Bollinger Bands. All techniques of these techniques will be crucial for the time series analysis. Okay, let's get into the code. So, of course, first I imported and got the data. I used Y Finance, I used Pandas, and I used NumPy. So after that, I downloaded the data, 2 years of NVDA of NVIDIA, um, YF download to get it from Yahoo Finance, and the period for 2 years. On step 2, I filled missing closing values, if any, using ffill. Then I calculated moving averages for trend, NVIDIA MA20, close dot rolling window equal 20 for and for a mean, and the same thing with the 50 window. Okay, this is to explain it. This is to calculate the 20-day and 50-day moving averages. They help identify short-term versus medium-term trends. If MA20 is above MA50, it signals a potential uptrend. Okay, so next I I calculated the RSI, which is relative strength indexed for momentum over 14 days. RSI helps us measure momentum, whether the stock is overbought or oversold. So it is a great indicator. If RSI is over 70, this means that it's being overbought, and if it's under 30, it means that it's being oversold. Now, for step 5, these we calculated the Bollinger Bands for volatility. This is what essentially the Bollinger Bands are for. They are to show volatility, and when the bands expand, its volatility is high, but when they contract, volatility is low. If the price is near to a lower band, it might be a good entry, but if it's um if it's the opposite, then it's not a good entry. The Bollinger Bands are also a great indicator. So number 6, we get the latest values. Um, I added this to remember myself to make sure they are scalar numbers. And also, you have to make sure it is a significant part of the process. And so I extracted the most recent values for price, indicators, and bands. This lets me summarize where NVIDIA stands at this exact moment. Okay, for step number 7 is the display summary. I generated a simple signal. The more indicators agree on a trend, like uptrend, low RSI, near support, the stronger is the signal. I will print out, as you guys can see here, um, the trend signal, uptrend, downtrend, and mix, and also for buy, sell, and hold. Um, we're gonna have a Bollinger signal, potential pullback, potential bounce, and within range. We're gonna have an RSI signal, overbought, oversold, neutral, And as I previously mentioned, uptrend, downtrend, and mixed. Um, Now, for the final recommendation, if buy signals is higher than sell signals, this will give us the recommendation to buy because we are having bullish signals. If sell signals are bigger than buy signals, then this is an indicator to sell because of bearish signals. And for the recommendation to hold is no strong signal. So if it's neutral, then it is more recommended to hold. Now, I ran the code a couple of minutes ago. So here it is. So the date is for today. The current price is $173 with 50 cents. The 20-day moving average is 165.19 cents, and the 50-day moving average is 150.36 cents. Um, so since the current price is both above of the 20 and 50-day moving average, we are basically in an uptrend. And for the RSI, a 14-day RSI, which is 76, um, it is not below 70, so it's not yet overbought. So this means that the rally may still have room. Now for the Bollinger Bands, um, if the price is near the upper band but hasn't broken out, it means that it's still within the normal volatility range. So we can see here the lower is 152 and the upper is 178.37 cents. The trend is uptrend. The signal is overbought um, because it is 76, as I previously mentioned. The RSI signal is over 70, is overbought. It's 76 right now. And the Bollinger Band signal is within normal range, so it is neutral. So what is the recommendation? The recommendation is hold because there's really no strong signal right now. So two out of the three indicators are showing a positive trend. Um, but the final recommendation is to hold. So there is there is no strong signal at the moment. Um, so yes, this was it for my session 4. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in session 5. Take care.